Hello, here we have a Toyota Hybrid XL CVT RAV4. Now this is a 20 plate car with 10,300 miles on. Lovely, lovely car. Very, very impressive specification. Some beautiful alloys on this car, as you can see, along with darkened rear glass. And if I open up the car, we see that it has a full electric seat leather interior. JBL sound system, heated seats, climate control, and there's the navigation system just starting. Hear the engine part of the system working. Here we have the heated steering wheel option, the heated front windscreen, and a rear view, well, all-round view camera, I should say. Very spacious back seat. You may notice that we've got charge points just tucked in on the console there. Now this car benefits from a tow bar as well, as you can see, and an auto tailgate, and the load liner is included within the car. So thank you for looking at this 2020 Toyota RAV4 XL Hybrid CVT. And please get in touch if you would like to know more. We'll be more than happy to help.